Good morning, and today is 20th April 2020. Today we'll start physics. Today I hope all of you have given the test. Share your marks with us. Today I'll start. Last day we have completed our gravitation chapter. Okay. Today we'll start the topic SHM, simple harmonic motion. Before getting into that, let's first let me introduce this. So topic is SHM, simple harmonic motion. First of all, let's say our heart beats, our lung vibrates. In fact, we hear because of our eardrum vibrates. Again, we can't speak a word vibration without oscillating our lip. So there are many motions where this kind of phenomena is taking place, where some parameters of motion are getting repeated. Some parameters of motions are getting repeated. So those motions we are going to study here, but not all. Special case of that. Okay, like Earth is rotating about its own axis around the sun. So you can see after every morning you get up. Every morning we have a fresh morning and we get up. So it is, if you just see, every morning we are getting we are repeating the same event. In night we sleep, and morning we get up again. In whole day we do work, again we sleep, again we get up. This is some events are getting repeated every time, and the motion in which these kind of events are getting repeated, we call those motions here as a periodic motion or oscillatory motion or SHM. Okay. So first of all, if I just let you know what are the positions where this kind of events are getting repeated. So first is, let's say, periodic motion. Periodic motion. So what is periodic motion? So please write any motion in which all the parameters of motions are repeated after a definite time interval. Is called periodic motion. Okay. Where all the parameters of motions are repeated after a definite time interval, called periodic motion. You know this. Okay. One very common example, Jhoka, all of you know the swing on which you, so that motion again, when you go for a morning walk, when you when you run around a jogging track, the particle moving along a circle. Okay, Earth is moving around the sun. So they all are periodic motion. Okay, after a definite time interval, means all the parameters. What are the parameters of motion? We have a velocity, we have a displacement, linear or angular displacement, anything, and acceleration. They are getting repeated after a definite time interval. And इसी में I think all of you must have learned the time period. The minimum time after which these parameters of motions are repeated is called time period. You know the frequency. So 1 by time period is frequency, means number of rotation in 1 second is time period. Okay, its frequency. So here example of periodic motion is Earth moving around Sun. You are running around a jogging track. No? So there are many examples. When you take a bob, a string bob system, so if it is going to, if you miss any particle going along the circle, okay. So in fact, any closed path basically means when you are moving along any closed path, that will be a periodic motion with constant speed if you are moving. Second is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Again, it's a special kind of periodic motion. It's a special kind of periodic motion, oscillatory motion. What is that? So, so in case of periodic motion, please write. In case of periodic motion, if particle moves to and fro, if particle moves to and fro on the same path, is called oscillatory motion. Means path वही है, वहाँ से मैं आगे गया to and fro. So in the same path, if I am going to and fro, that is called oscillatory motion. Okay, and it's a special kind of periodic motion. Meaning what? कि all periodic motions are not oscillatory motion. लिख लेना. But all oscillatory motions are periodic motion. Example, if you take now a swing, pendulum of your let's say pendulum clock, where pendulum is moving to and fro like this. Okay. Now, so here for oscillatory motion, if you see, if means on the same path I am going this way, again I am coming back this way. This is the path. So here, if particle is going from here to here, जब भी oscillatory motion होगा, this will be developed only when particle यहाँ से मान लो यहाँ से चलना शुरू किया और फाइनली जाके यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो गया, फिर से वापस आया, फिर से स्टॉप हो गया, फिर वापस. Means what? कि this in oscillatory motion the particle moves about a mean point, mean position. So particle moves about the mean position, means if it is going in this direction, so slowly its velocity decreases, it stops, again it comes back here, again when it crosses the mean position, again it comes back. Means for oscillatory motion there must be a restoring force. Okay, if it is oscillatory motion, there must be a restoring force. The particle oscillates about the mean position. इसे लिख लेना, ठीक है? Restoring force meaning what? कि which brings the particle back. Okay. And energy must be conserved. But energy conserved नहीं है, then so slowly its path covered is going to decrease. If energy is getting lost, then the covered path is going to decrease. Then it won't be a oscillatory motion, because every parameter should be repeated. So energy must be conserved here. Restoring force, and the particle oscillate about the mean position. Let's take few examples. Then that will be. Let's say a particle is hanging. Question है, particle is hanging. And it is given a particle is hanging from a thread and launched horizontally. V is, let's say this length is, so V is greater than root 5 GL. So which type of motion it is going to execute? So if you remember, V is greater than this, so it is going to complete the vertical circle. and circle complete करेगा तो क्या होगा? It will be a periodic motion. To and fro it is going to move only in one direction. It's not oscillatory, it's a periodic motion. But why, let's say if I take, and we have given velocity such that v is less than v is less than equal to 2gl. तो क्या होगा? वेलोसिटी से कम है तो it can maximum reach up to here. यहाँ तक होगा reach, again it is going to come back, it will go here, again it will come back. So it's a oscillatory motion. But v more than this is a periodic motion. ठीक है? So as I said, all periodic motions are not oscillatory, but all oscillatory motions are periodic motion. To and fro उसी path पे आगे पीछे होना चाहिए. Now in our here we are not going to study this. We are going to study the next, that is simple harmonic motion. Third, which we have in our course, simple harmonic motion, SHM, short form SHM. Again, if you, first of all, let's see this, why it has been studied like this, because there are many motion, there are many motion in our day-to-day life, or let's say in industry also, where the vibration is sinusoidal. The moment I use sinusoidal means it is sine or cos. So there are many motions in industry mainly, also in our day-to-day life. If I take a ideal case where the motion, the outcome of that motion is sinusoidal, means it is going to follow the sine curve or cos curve. So those motions are called SHM, simple harmonic motion. Why to study this? It has got two reasons, one physical, one mathematical. Okay, physical reason means to study this motion is two reasons. One is physical, one is mathematical. When we solve the parameters, when we try to get the parameters of some type of motion, we get sine and cos graph. So that is a mathematical outcome. And physical meaning, for the vibration we need a special kind of arrangement where force is directly proportional to displacement, or torque is directly proportional to angular displacement. One more mathematical reason, you will study the Fourier series, the French mathematician. In electronics this is in great detail. So there also they have said this, that the particles which are having SHM, which are having simple harmonic motion, can be represented as a summation of the motion which has got time period t by 2 like this. So this is just to introduce you, we are not getting into detail of that. So means the basic is, when you solve this we get the parameters of motions are going to be sine and cos. So that is the reason we learn it in a simple special case. Here again, simple harmonic motion is a special case of oscillatory motion. Like in as I said just now, in oscillatory motion we need what? In oscillatory motion we need restoring force, we need mean position, the particle oscillates about mean position, and we have energies conserved. So in SHM also these factors will be there. In SHM also these factors will be there, and we are going to have a special kind of oscillatory. Means here all oscillatory motions are not SHM, but all SHMs are oscillatory motion. Okay. Like as I said, this is a oscillatory motion, but this is not a SHM. But why? If amplitude, if the angle means the deflection, why here it is, this bob is moving by pi by 2. But why? If angle becomes very small, then that can convert into SHM. So that those things we will prove it here. So basically if we do this, that physical reason is कि pure sinusoidal vibration is very common to in many mechanical system. Okay, in a many mechanical system the simple harmonic motion is very common. So we are going to study that, and this with the introduction. If I move in for the next session, go for next video, and thanks for watching.